My name is Sophie Rottinghaus, and this is the Physical Science Lab 4. It's the microwave mug chocolate cake. So first I'm going to get 6 tablespoons of the cake mix. Okay, and next will be water. So I have 3 tablespoons of water in here because the recipe calls for 1, and I'm not using applesauce. And so the alternative was 2 tablespoons of water and 1/2 tablespoon of this oil that I'm using now. So that's probably pretty good. So I have it all in here. I'm just gonna mix it. I also have the chocolate chips, so those are gonna go into the batter and on top of the batter. So 1 tablespoon I'm just gonna mix into the batter. Okay, it is very smooth, I would say. So some more chocolate chips are just gonna go like on top. And the only other thing I have to do is microwave this for a minute. It is done, and I'm gonna try it out. It rose a lot, so. Okay, it's been a couple minutes, and I'm gonna just try it. It is yum. It's like a little dry. The applesauce may have been better, but yeah. Thanks.